Hey guys, Wade here with Kriete Truck Centers and Racine. My number is 262-340-2282. Today I got something special for you. I've got this 2022 Mack Granite quad axle dump with 143,000 miles. It is a gold dog, so it has all Mack drivetrain, including the MP8 engine and the MDrive transmission. As you can see, it has the steel bed. Got it open for you and tilted so you can just get a good look inside. Overview of what we're looking at. Everything is squared away. This thing is ready to work. They're extremely hard to find. We all know that. And this is a great piece. If you're interested, come by and see me at Kriete Truck Centers and Racine, or give me a call at 262-340-2282, or check us out on KrieteTruckCenters.com.